Hey everybody, Jen here, and I'm going to do an overview and demonstration of a popular Louis Vuitton small leather good item. What is it, you say? It is the very popular key pouch, and this currently retails for about $325. I have seen quite a few on the resale market as well. So if you don't want to pay full price, I've seen some in excellent condition or even new condition on sites like Mercari, Poshmark, or Fashionphile, or like Yugi's Closet. This comes in quite a few different materials and prints. I have the classic monogram, and it's a very basic pouch. And at first, I know this is like kind of like a lot of people's like entry-level Louis Vuitton luxury piece. And it's got a very nice zipper here, gold hardware, and also I keep the materials cards, and then I keep some silica in it when I'm storing it just so it doesn't get too humid here. And it has a keychain on it, and I really do like the hardware. I think the style is excellent, and it has a really cool way of opening. So here's the hardware. So you kind of take this little bar here and then pull it up and out. And this is the first time I've seen hardware like this, but I did think that was very cool. Now, is this item expensive? Certainly. This is a designer item. It's not really lined, so it's got some backing. I believe this is leather. This one is, I think, made in the USA, but it doesn't really have a like proper lining to it, if you get my drift. So it's kind of raw. Some people have complained that you can sort of see through the stitching. You can see sort of light through it, you know, and then you can see the zipper tape. And I do sewing, so that is a little weird for me to see that there's not like an actual lining, but hey, it is what it is. But I wanted to show you what it holds. This is a kind of a small little guy. You can carry this as a keychain. You could also use this as a bag charm. There's a lot of different things you could do with it. You could also attach your keys and then put the keys inside. I also have the 6 key holder, which I haven't really tried out yet. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it, but I did get a 6 key holder as well. So I want to show you what it holds. I've got some prop items. I've got some fake coins and credit cards and some real cash here because I did get some play money, but it wasn't the size of actual money, so I didn't think that was very helpful. So let's see how many cards it fits. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 little cards here. So we're going to see if this fits inside. All right, yeah, this fits inside nicely. The length of the key pouch is probably about an inch. Yeah, probably about like, this is about an inch longer than the cards, so they fit in very easily. Okay, so you can fit at least 6 cards in here. Let's see, cash. So this isn't really gonna work. Yeah, this is not really gonna work folded just once. If you wanna put cash in here, you're gonna have to double fold here. So let's put some cash in here. All right, it's kind of tight here. And let's add some coins in here just for, you know, little laughs and giggles here. And we'll see how this goes here. We got some coins here. And again, these are fake coins. I didn't want to use real coins because they're pretty dirty. That is one reality of putting coins in anything, is that coins, they got grime and dirt on them. So it kind of makes anything you put on it dirty. All right, so I've got some coins, some cash, and 6 cards. Now let me zip this up. It's a little bit snug. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, it does sort of bulge out a little bit, but you know, I've noticed over time, fewer and fewer people are really carrying coins, so I don't know if that's like a big deal. We'll sort of like try to distribute how the coins are inside. Okay, so here's what it looks like with 6 cards. And yeah, it's actually keeping its shape pretty well. Gucci actually has a similar item, and that one seems to hold a little bit more. So if you are looking for alternatives to this, I would maybe check out the Gucci one as well. And I do like some of the finishes on that one a little bit better. Again, this is an expensive item. I'm not really sure how it's going to wear and tear because I haven't had this for very long. But that's it with some cash and some other stuff in here. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what this item holds and how much it holds, and also how it looks when it's kind of stuffed full of stuff. But yeah, I got some play stuff here and some coins here. So this is the Louis Vuitton Key Pouch, or the Key Clay as it's also called. If you're considering this item, I do hope this video is helpful in showing you the features and how much it holds. And I do think it's a cute item. Would I pay $325 for this? I'm not sure. I did, and I do feel it's a little bit overpriced. But you know, if this is something you really want, I would definitely check out the resale market. I'm finding a lot of deals on Mercari. I've purchased some stuff from Mercari and I've had some good luck with it. But I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know down below in the comments. And also, if you have any tips or hacks for using this item, also feel free to share. But subscribe to Jen Talks Forever. I'm gonna have more videos like this. I'm trying to shoot more here on YouTube, but I'll see you guys next time.